In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can add a video inside of a text. So I already have my composition ready here. I have my video added, as you can see, and everything. And all we need now is a text. So we're going to add a text. Let's make it autumn. So you have your text and you can edit it however you want. You can choose another type, you can choose another size, the way you want it aligned. For now, I have it in the center. And when you have your text ready and you want to maybe make sure that it's centered inside of your composition, so when you have your text selected and you go to align, then you can choose to align to your composition horizontally and vertically. And when everything is ready and it is like you want it to be, then we're going to make sure that this video, which is now behind my text, will appear inside of my text. And it's really easy to do this. So first of all, make sure that your text is on top of your video you want to use. And then we want to make sure we have track matte visible. And if you don't have that visible, which is possible, you can go to the bottom here and choose the toggle switches modes. And when you click it, as you can see now, my track matte option disappears. If I click it again, I get my track matte option available. So when you have your track matte available, you're going to select your video and make the track matte for the video your text. And as you can see, your video is now shown inside of your text. It's really as easy as that. And when you've done this, I double click my video and now I'm inside my video composition, which I do not want. Let's go back to this one. When you have done this, you can still edit your text. You can edit your type, your font, whatever you want. But yeah, it's really as easy as that. Making a composition with the video you want to use, making a text and the size and however you want it to be, making sure the text is on top of your video, and then aligning your track matte to your video to the text layer. That was a quick tutorial on how you can add a video inside of text in Adobe After Effects. Let me know in the comments below if you liked the video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.